Okay, first we go to introduction of a differentiation. Differentiation is a process in mathematics that measure the rate of change of a function compared to its variable. It helps us understand how small change in one quantity can can affect other quantities. This application of differentiation is widely used in science and engineering because it helps to understand and predict the behavior of dynamic system, as well as being able to optimize function.
This is our selection question that we choose. The question is y equals to x power 3 minus 3 by 2 x power 2 plus 1. Firstly, we need to find the value of the x. Step 1. Grouping the dy and dx group. As you can see, there are only dx group here. The first row is x power 3. The 3 will bring in the front of the x, and the power 3 will be 3 minus 1. So the answer is 3x power 2. The second row is negative 3 by 2 x power 2. The negative 3 by 2x will multiply by 2. So the answer is negative 3x, and lastly the 1 will be 0. So we got the first answer. And then the A is 3, the B is negative 3, and C will be 0. You can also use the calculator and click the mode equation. So the first x we got is 1, and the second x was 0.
Step 2. Find the value of y when x to the power of 1 equal to 1. Y equal to open bracket 1 close the bracket to the power of 3 subtract 3 over 2 open bracket 1 close bracket to the power of 2 plus 1, and answer is 1 over 2.
After finding the value of the x and the value of the y, we can get a stationary points. This is a step 3. So the stationary parts are 1 and 2, 0 and 1.
Okay, we go to step 4. dy per dx equal 3x power 2 minus 3x plus 0. Second, d power 2 y per dx equal 6x minus 3. Okay, we go to when x power 2 equal 1, then d power 2 y per dx power 2 equal 6 open bracket 1, because we take when x equal 1, so we put into the 6 open bracket 1 close bracket minus 3. The answer is 3 minimum 20. Okay, let's see when x equal 0. The formula d.
Okay, step 5. Sketch a graph. This is our graph using a graphing calculator.
For the second graph, they have 3 points, which is E for intersect, turning point, and F. The answer for intersect is 0 and 2. Then turning point. The answer for C is -1 and 4, and D is 1 and 0. Lastly, the answer for F is -1 and 4. Thank you. Last but not least, sketch the graph. Before I explain about the graph, I'm using graphing app to get the answer for the graph. For the first graph, you can see they have 4 points, which is A for root, BC for turning point, and D for intersect. The answer for root is -0.68. If we round up, then turning point. The answer for B is 0 and 1, and C 1 and 0.5. The last one is intersect. The answer is 0 and 1. For the second graph,
In conclusion, differentiation is a fundamental mathematical tool that plays a crucial role across various fields including economics and engineering. It enables us to understand and analyze how change in one variable affect another, facilitating better decision making and optimization. In economics, differentiation helps in assessing marginal change, such as costs and revenues, providing insight into consumer behavior and market dynamics. In engineering, it is vital for analyzing system performance, optimizing designs, and solving complex problems relate the dynamic and structures. Overall, the application of differentiation in change our ability to model real-world phenomena, make informed decisions, and innovate solutions across diverse disciplines. Its importance continues to grow as we advance in technology and analyze, reinforcing its status as a cornerstone of mathematical and applied science. Thank you.